Alright, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a Fujifilm X-T4. So this bundle came with one extra battery and this Lexar card. This 128 gig Lexar card. This is what the original packaging included. However, I decided to add an extra battery because we all know Fujifilm batteries don't last very long, and then an extra charger, and in the box as well there is an actual a third battery. So part of this bundle kit is a body, an SD card, 3 batteries, and a charger. So we're going to go ahead and open it and see what the box contains. The usual paperwork, a product manual. So they're not, I guess they're not giving you a booklet now, they're just giving you a QR code for a web page. Safety paperwork, and let's see what's in the box. And there you go, there comes the body. I decided to go with the black X-T4, considering that I already own the silver X-T4. And this is the primary reason why I got the X-T4. This flippy screen, considering that I do a lot of self-filming, I'll make it easier for me to film myself, and having that 4K capabilities is definitely an added bonus. So this is the X-T4, very similar to the X-T3 with the tactile dials. It is still an APS-C camera, EVF. All the buttons are relatively all in the same place, with the exception of this flip right here, where you can go from photo to movie or video in no time. People keep mentioning that it's a little bigger than the X-T3. I don't believe it, at least I don't see it. Pretty much the same size. Nice, all in black. So let's just put this to the side and let's see what's in the box. Alright, so there's nothing in the box. We have this. Let's see what's in here. Alright, so Fuji doesn't give you a charger anymore. At least that's what I've heard. So that's why I got the box. This extra charger, this dual battery charger, which I'll show you in just a second. So this is a USB-C. This is the third battery. Put it back in the plastic bag in just a second. We have the USB key. This is the charger, which I have to figure out how it works. Ah. So it comes with this. Okay. So power AC power adapter, and clearly, so the way Fuji is essentially providing you accessory is they don't give you a charger, but so now you charge directly right into the camera, and I believe there is a HDMI port, and as you can see right here, there is the battery emblem. That's how you charge it. Okay, so that's cool. You get this dongle here that lets you put your audio jack. So when you're you want to monitor your sound, you could do that. And the last piece is the Fujifilm strap. It's nice and thick, very rubbery, very comfortable. I like it. I really like it. I'll likely have to add a couple of quick detached clips here, but I really do like it. So let's put this stuff back in the box, and let's see what else. So I had mentioned that I had bought an extra 3 batteries, so I got 1, 2, 3. So I figured to get started I should be able to get away with 1 day of shoot, and I got this Fujifilm dual battery charger, so while I have one in the camera I can charge 2 batteries at the same time. And this is what it looks like. So it's the Fujifilm box, a dual battery, and it didn't come with a charger, so I'll likely be using this to charge my battery. So like that, boom. So there is the NPW 35. So we gotta go one charger here, and we'll put that in the box on the side. I'm gonna go with this battery. You put it in there, and there's your charger. So that's that. These batteries are supposed to be lasting a lot longer than the previous versions of the X-T3. So one of the reasons why I upgraded to the X-T4 is for the larger batteries. So I believe they have maybe 30-50% more battery juice in there. So let's take a look at the camera. So I have my 56 here. Well, which will likely live, so I should probably clean, on the X-T4. There you go. Let's see if I can get any kind of battery juice out of this. Nope, not this battery. Let's try this one. I know I've been charging one of them, so not that one either. Back in their charger. There you go. It's asking for the language to pair it. No, right now. Skip. Okay. Let's do the date. Oh boy. F1.6. Kind of cool. Neat looking camera, to be honest. All black. It looks good. It's nice to have a little flippy screen. You can record yourself. Let's see. It is a prime lens, so obviously I can't zoom. But you can see right there what that looks like. Alright. Well, that's all I really wanted to show you guys today. I have to charge the camera. I'll be doing a review, a more thorough review this week. I got a wedding to go to on Friday, so this week, sorry, Saturday, and I'll put it through the test, and I'll be able to give you guys a more complete feedback whether it was good or not. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. It's an X-T4, it's an awesome camera. I'm used to it. I like the textile dial. This is one of the reasons why I went with it. Still a little bit, still compact, nice grip size here. It's less, it's a little larger here. All of the buttons are all in the right place. The focus is all here. Should be good. All right, guys. Thank you very much. Take care of yourselves.